Welcome to the Library and Learning Services video to show you how to find books and e-books. Start from the library homepage and use the button to search the library catalogue. Let's search for the book Study Skills Handbook by Stella Cottrell. Search for words in the title and the author's surname. Check for the latest edition, which in this case is the first on the list of results, published in 2019. This is the print book. Click on Check Availability to find the list of copies, and you can also look at the publication information as well. So it's the 5th edition. Most of the copies of this book are on the shelves, so you can see the status says available. Check to see whether the book is on the 1st or 2nd floor and for the class number. So you can see this is on the 1st floor, 372.30281. COT. The books are shelved by the number and then the first 3 letters of the author's surname, Cott. There's a label on the edge of each book which displays the class number. Go to the shelf, collect the book, and then use the self-issue machines to borrow it. You can ask at the service desk on the ground floor for help to find the book on the shelves if you can't locate it yourself. If all the copies display as on loan, then you can place a reservation on the book. You might also want to check if the book is available electronically. If so, go back to the list of results and then limit to the source type e-book. As before, you can click on Check Availability or click on the title. So this time it's the record for the e-book. And then at the next screen, access full text. On this screen, you need to enter your York St John username and password, which is in the format firstname.surname and the password you chose at enrolment. You can also use your York St John email. We have several different ebook providers, so the layouts will vary. This book can be accessed via eBook Central. Some providers will allow you to download and save the complete book without limits, but this is rare. In this case, you can download the whole book for a maximum of 1 day, or you can download and keep 1 chapter permanently. So it's preferable in this case to read online, and that's what I'm going to show you now. The left side panel displays the contents of the book, in this case divided into parts and then chapters. Use the arrows to expand each part. So this part A, self-efficacy, splits up into 7 chapters. And then you can look at chapter 1, success as a student, and if I click on the down arrow again, then you can see that divided into further sections. So then you can just go on to the section you want. So understanding higher level study takes you to that specific page. You can also search for keywords within the book. For example, time management. So I'm looking for the words as a phrase, those exact words next to each other, and that's why I'm using the quotes. and it's found 45 results where the word time management occurs. So click on the purple bars to see the pages where the words are. So we've got, for example, page 16, and there are the words highlighted, time management skills. And page 57 again, the words time management there. So this is a really good way of navigating around an ebook, effective targeting your search to find the information you want, because you wouldn't be expected to read the entire book. Let's look at the icons at the top of the screen. So you've got the option to print, and that allows up to 66 pages. And you can also add notes and bookmarks, and you can copy small parts of the text, but if you use that in your assignment, you must acknowledge the author in your referencing and citation. You can also delete the sidebar and then expand the text using the plus button. Do remember that there are several different providers of ebooks, and your academic liaison librarian can help you to find and use the ebooks for your program. This slide shows you the link to find out which librarian to contact for your program, and the email to get in touch with the academic liaison librarian team. Thanks for watching.